I'm just so uncomfortable right now.
All right, so right here we have 2 boxes that need to be opened of some new gear of what is going to be happening next in my life. As you can see, got some gear over here. We can explain a little bit. Got some new stuff we gotta open. Probably gonna shoot B-roll sequences of that with the help from my very tall, very gangly brother. Also, I just shaved my head again for like third or fourth time. I don't know if you can. And I kind of look like a peanut. It's time to shoot some B-roll. Do you want to do an introduction? You've never been on a video with me before. Do you want to do an introduction? Like maybe some simple questions. Number 1, what's your name?
My name's Jake.
Why are you, number 2, why are you so tall? Because look at this. Look at the differential between the ceiling and his head. He's very large. Can you explain that?
Genetics.
If you had to have avocado or bacon for...
Bacon.
If you could eat pineapple or tomatoes?
Pineapple.
What's your stance on cars?
Cars go fast.
What about this feels like a game to you?
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build. We're gonna put some ramping music here, like ramp up. And then we shoot B-roll of this right here. Kachuga. We still gotta put this together. So yeah, that's the dome. The dome will go on top of that. Because how much do you lose underwater focal length? 33%. That's right.
About
so you need to compensate. About what?
4 or 5.
Go Tigers.
Go Tigers.
Hey coach, if you had to.
I got 2 words for you. Go Tigers, Joe Burrow.
Go Tigers, go Tigers, go Tigers, go Tigers.
Hey, you're a great helper, man. I'm over here
$5.
putting this together by myself. Don't worry about it.
What else am I supposed to do? Hey, I got a question for you. What did one lesbian vampire say?
Whatever it's called.
Do you want to do the one without the size B? Right next to the
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna run like the wind now?
Like the wind. No, these are perfect.
Okay.
All right, pal. What's the goal today? What are we doing?
2 times around the lake.
2 times around the lake.
If I quit, I'm a. You heard it here, folks.
Boom. All right, so I will give you some updates. I also forgot to bring my ND filter. Hey, it's perfect timing. I told you Jason would be here. What's up? All right, so gonna run, and then we're gonna talk about all that stuff that you just saw, because I'm in this zombie training mode, hashtag zombie training. I'm gonna try to run like 16 to 18 miles today. So yeah, we'll check you after the run. All right, Jake, first time zombie prep, 14.53 miles. What are your thoughts? What do you got? How you feeling?
Terrible. I hate myself and I hate you.
Well, zombie training done for the day. It's pretty solid. Note to self. I mean, I don't know if you guys even care about fitness or anything like that, but I definitely did not have enough water on this run. So, put in about a 35-mile week this week. So, but I'm about to go inside, get some grub, and get rehydrated and stuff like that. So, what you saw on said unboxing that we just tried to shoot some B-roll of is a waterproof housing and a strobe, and I'm very excited to tell you that I'm going back to Asia, heading back to Indonesia, moving back to the island of Nusa Penida, to which I'm going to be doing some underwater photography for a few months. So I'm very excited, and yeah, I'm pumped to start bringing this bad boy underwater. A little nervous, but it's gonna be cool. So let's get some grabba. Cheers.
Feeling better about getting care.
Yeah, this is actually, it's really heavy. I'd say this is probably like 5 pounds. But here's the baby, here's the new toy. Excited to take it underwater. We'll see what the photos look like. I've been shooting just on my GoPro in the past. So that's kind of what I've been doing as far as some of the underwater photography that I've done before, which looked like this. So hopefully this new setup will allow me to be able to shoot some more and work on skin tones, work on editing, work on a new LUT. I'm gonna put together in a package that I'm working on, although all 16 of you that watch this video don't really care about that. So, but yeah, so heading back to Indonesia, that's the plan, 6 months. So thanks for following along. That's the unboxing, that's the update. Hope you dig it, hope you dig the content. Got new stuff coming soon. Do all the things that everyone tells you to do, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace. You know, filling time while we're out here finna trying to put together this underwater housing. This might be the scariest thing I've ever done, taking my camera underwater. I don't know though. What is the point of 5 screws? I don't know what that means. And I can't figure out why there's an extra screw, which is probably in the directions, but I'm too stubborn to read them. Directions, B-roll. Ka-chicka. Who's the guy? Lightning McQueen. Ka-chicka. 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 Maybe it's a spare. You know what I mean? What show is that where they have the it's the guy's putting it together and he's like, wait, is there supposed to be extra screws? That's where I'm at right now. Just doing lateral raises. This leg feels a little painful, swollen. This leg right here, that's turtle. This one also not feeling great. Transition. What is the 5th screw for here? Why do we get, I don't know, there's four holes, 5 screws. I don't know what that means. That's what she said. I'm not the type of person though that you have to film it horizontally. We're not filming B-roll here. Ka-chicka, ka-chicka. I'm not the type of person that reads the directions. I just put things together.